Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to enable two-step verification on Viber. Maybe you want to protect your personal information and add an extra layer of security to your Viber account. So today I'm going to show you how to enable two-step verification on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on this More icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the Viber menu. From this menu, tap on Settings. In this Settings page, tap on Privacy. Here, you can now see this two-step verification option. Simply tap on it. In this window, you'll be prompted to create a 6-digit PIN code. Simply tap on this Create PIN code button. Now, create your unique PIN. After that, tap on Next. Now, confirm your PIN by typing it again. Then, tap on Next again. After that, you now have successfully enabled two-step verification on Viber. Your account is now more secure with the added layer of protection. There you go. If you wanted to know how to enable two-step verification on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to enable two-step verification on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.